we have all of the twos here. So this is some form of alignment, okay? And it's in a union. So a relationship around you is looking like it's starting to align. So let's take a look and see what this is about. This could also be around some travel of some travel of some sort, and then the globe comes up. So yeah, I feel as though when you are traveling, or if you have some travel booked, you, them, or something around a trip, there is an alignment where we finally kind of start to come together. This is something that I would say has been difficult, okay? It's not been easy, but finally we're having action. This is the action man. This is both of you finding some sort of emotional balance within that allows you to both come together perfectly. Definitely travel. We have the globe on both of these. Or if you're making a decision to move or anything to do with international flavor, this is for you. So yeah, you're finding the peace within that's then allowing you to find the peace within the relationship. So it's a beautiful alignment. If you're seeing 222, this is for you. It may be that you felt previously that you weren't quite getting what you needed, or you were just missing, not hitting. This is going from a place of lack into a place of abundance. And this could be linked to air signs as well and earth signs, but this is finally getting what you asked for. Finally, what you're putting forward, that person is putting forward. So again, it's that alignment that's coming together here. Now, it might be quite a shock when this comes in because we have a blunt action with this. So it could be that all of a sudden it just clicks and you're both like, oh, why didn't we think of that? Or why haven't we said this earlier? Or why haven't we felt this way earlier? So it's abrupt, but it's very welcomed. This is you kind of thinking, hallelujah, it's finally, he understands me, she understands me, they get me. And so yeah, this is high success, just so you know. When you get those two together, that's extreme success. So this means that this time around, the new beginning, the new alignment, the new situation and energies and feelings between you both is spot on. It's going to be exactly what you want, exactly what you both want as well. So this isn't just about you, this is about your person as well. So habits that may have damaged the situation previously or repetitive cycles, no more. This kind of reunites the souls. It brings you back together to know the purpose of the relationship, the reason why you've been together in the first place. You may have finally learned a lesson with each other, but I can assure you around this travel, the chemistry is on point. So it's a rekindling of that love. It's very exciting actually. I feel like this is just a moment where you kind of enter into a really good cycle. And we have just finished the eclipse, so everything that wasn't meant to be around, that's feelings, emotions, lessons, things, is cleared out. So this is your time to shine as a couple. Earth signs showing again there. So there's a lot of earth, there's a lot of air. We've got Leo, we've got Saggy, and we've got fire coming up there. So again, lots of fire, lots of air, lots of earth. But also if you are a water sign, your person could be one of these signs. So yeah, it looks as though you're finally aligning. Good luck.